CEO of Verity Global Solutions, and he's going to be sharing with us how RPA will be transformed, will transform 2022. How are you
All
today,
right.
Sam?
Doing well, doing well.
Excellent.
Share my screen here. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Excellent. Okay. So so a lot of our clients know us as an outsourced solution provider. So we have back office operations for origination processes, title companies, servicing, et cetera, where we do a lot of the checklist SLA-based repetitive work from our operations centers located in India primarily. The next step in our evolution has been to introduce automation services. So our overall solution now encompasses fulfillment of these services, either utilizing labor or automation. So as part of that is us developing an RPA solution that we've built from the ground up, and something that we consider is what a lot of folks would call kind of next gen. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that. For folks that don't know what RPA is, it's essentially, it's business transformation happening today, where companies are utilizing more of what we call a digital workforce, where traditional work performed by humans is now being performed via automation, utilizing bots and artificial intelligence and things of that sort. So we are very heavily involved in this now. What we have found is working very well for us and our clients is we have the ability to, because of our existing expertise in working with various processes and having detailed knowledge of client operations, we have a team of lean manufacturing folks in our team who are, black belt elite manufacturing, things like that. So we're able to look at processes and compress them and find better ways to do the same thing, not just utilizing labor, but now being able to utilize bots. So it's very interesting how it's transforming our internal operations and definitely operations for our customers. So some of the things we've already heard today, the ability for this technology to do text and facial recognition, et cetera, OCR, is all becoming pretty key. But we've also gone a step beyond that by studying multiple processes. What we've done is create smaller steps that can be linked together to do an overall automation solution. So to give you some examples, these are some of the modules that we have automated, and green is very high level of automation can be achieved. White is like a medium level, and the orange is something that's that requires a little more human intervention. So by doing these things, we're able to convert some of the time-consuming, repetitive work that was traditionally done by human into a technology platform. So where we feel our technology is different than a traditional bot is there's a lot of the traditional technology out there is it's mimicking the human operation at a desktop level, but in our case we're able to perform work on a desktop and at a back office at a server level, working with APIs and non-API integrations. We can be the current pricing model for a lot of bot technology is to basically license the bot and then pay some maintenance on it, et cetera. In our case, our technology is lightweight. it scales up and down virtually. There's no blocks of purchases that have to be made. We can come in and scale up and down as much as we need to. And we're focused, because of our history of being focused mainly on a mortgage, we're focusing on mortgage and title, and we're strictly going to be focused in this space. So basically, the ability to have a library to connect and create functions allows us to have a pretty fast turnaround time for our clients' operations. Just some, here's some small samples. I just threw something up here of things that people can consider automating, but the list is pretty large. And I'm going to talk about a couple of examples. This one was a fraud prevention type project where, you know, the bot was able to receive an email, get a person's name, go to various websites, pull down the information, and create multiple folders where the work that was taking 20 minutes by 23 folks is being done by using technology in 20 seconds. So it's kind of nuts, actually. Another example was, you know, online scheduling, notary scheduling, to be able to do some basic data validation, negotiation, set up a notary schedule, and then, you know, various web searches and so on. But these are just some small examples. Let's see. Yeah, that was it.
Thank you, Sam. Appreciate that information. Once again, more cutting edge technology, more automation. Everyone's talking bots and apps today, so that's fantastic. Appreciate that. And the work of 23 individuals in the span of 20 seconds. That is definitely amazing.
Yeah, so it was each task was about 15 minutes that went down to 20 seconds. It's kind of wild, actually.
Yes.
If anybody wants to see a demo, happy to show them. They can just contact us, and we'll show them what it looks like. So.
Great. And we did drop your information into the chat. So thank you very much for that. Thank you all so much for joining us for the Lightning Showcase today. We have many more Christmas cookies for you this afternoon. So please feel free to join in to the rest of the agenda. Next Tuesday, we have Notarize, DocProbe, Active Comply, and iEmergent on deck for our Lightning Showcase. And then on Thursday, we will have OptiFunder, MortgageEducation.com, Sales Boomerang, 5X Solutions, and Total Expert joining us. So thank you so much for being here for the Lightning Showcase today, and please join the remainder of our sessions this afternoon. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.